Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to make a smart home automation project where we will control home appliances by smartphone application through Bluetooth connectivity. Let us get started. This is a schematic diagram where I am using Arduino Nano and SC05 Bluetooth module and 4-channel relay. Every appliances means here I have connected bulb. Every bulbs are connected in series with relay. Here I am using 8, 9, 10 signal pin for relay, and Bluetooth module is connected by serially. So RX pin of Arduino is connected to TX pin of Bluetooth module, and TX pin of Arduino is connected to RX pin of Bluetooth module. Okay, now we will go to Arduino programming. I have already created Arduino program, so you can see here red light is connected on 8 number pin, and green light signal pin is connected to 9 number pin, and blue light for 10 number pin. I have created here a string variable name receive. It is empty by default, and I have initialized as a output all pin, and I keep here by default all pins are high because what I am using relay is active low device. Here it will check if any data is available in controller serially Bluetooth, so it will read here and store in string variable, and again, and here it will convert in string variable by adding all character. So if I will send one or more than one character, then it will store as a string. If here receive value will be A, then red light will be turned on. I told you already my relay is active low, so if it will be low means relay will be turned on. If here receive value will be small a, then red light will be turned off. And in same cases, if it will be capital B, then green light will be turned on, and small b, then green light will be turned off. If receive value will be capital C, then blue light will be turned on, and in case of a small c, then blue light will be turned off. So now we will see Android application, how to install and how to set up the application. This is my mobile phone display. I will open Play Store. I will search here Bluetooth Arduino, and I will install Arduino Bluetooth control from Bro Xcode tools. I will install this. Okay, I will open. So I will connect to my Bluetooth device. Okay, I will open. Here is 3 pairs button. I will use 3 for on and 3 buttons for turn off. So I will go to setting, click over here, and go to command button configuration. I will click on button A. Here I will type capital A, and button B I will type here small a. Button C small b, sorry, capital B, it is for green light on, and it is for green light off. It is for blue light on, so capital C, and it's for blue light off, so small c. I will back. Okay, I will select here board. Board is Arduino Nano, okay, and processor is 8 mega 328p old bootloader, COM port 13. So first we need to know COM port. So go to start button and right click over here and click device manager, and click here ports. You can see here USB to serial CS340 COM port 13. It means Arduino Nano COM port is 13, so this is already selected, and I will remove this Bluetooth module and I will upload. Compiling done successfully. Now I will connect this Bluetooth module and I will open my mobile phone. I will click over here. I will connect the board SA05 and I will click button send slider. I will click first button. See, red light is turned on. Wow. Green light, blue light. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.